Physics Class 10. Question 1. What is sound? Answer: a form of frequency that travels as vibration. Question 2. What medium is most suitable for the fastest sound travel? Answer: solid. Question 3. Which unit is used to measure the loudness of sound? Answer: decibel. Question 4. What is the frequency range that the human ear can detect? Answer: 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Question 5. What type of wave is sound? Answer: longitudinal. Question 6. Which part of the air vibrates when sound waves enter it? Answer: eardrum. Question 7. What is the speed of sound in air at room temperature 20 degrees centigrade? Answer: 343 meter per second. Question 8. What happens to sound in a vacuum? Answer: it does not travel. Question 9. Which of the following affect the speed of sound in a medium? Answer: temperature. Question 10. What property of sound determines its pitch? Answer: frequency. Question 11. Which sound properties is related to how loud or soft a sound is? Answer: amplitude. Question 12. Which of these frequencies is considered ultrasonic? Answer: 25,000 Hz. Question 13. What device is used to measure the frequency of sound waves? Answer: frequency analyzer. Question 14. What is an echo? Answer: a sound reflection that returns to the listener. Question 15. What causes sound waves to be reflected? Answer: a hard surface. Question 16. What is the main factor that determines the loudness of sound? Answer: amplitude. Question 17. How does sound travel through liquids compared to gas? Answer: faster. Question 18. Which organ in humans is responsible for detecting sound? Answer: ear. Question 19. What type of material absorbs sound most effectively? Answer: soft, porous material. Question 20. What happens to sound waves when they pass through a narrow gap? Answer: the spread out. Question 21. Which animal can hear ultrasonic sound? Answer: bats. Question 22. What is the function of the cochlea in the ear? Answer: converts vibration into electrical signals. Question 23. What is meant by the term audible range? Answer: the frequency range humans can hear. Question 24. How is sound transmitted from one place to another? Answer: by vibrating particles. Question 25. What is the role of the auricles in the ear? Answer: to amplify sound vibration. Question 26. Which sound characters affect its timbres? Answer: waveform. Question 27. Why do we not hear sound in space? Answer: there is no medium for sound to travel. Question 28. Which of the following increase the speed of sound? Answer: increase in temperature. Question 29. How does an increase in temperature affect the speed of sound in the air? Answer: increases. Question 30. What is sound intensity? Answer: measures of power per unit area.